It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Right now, NASA is tracking over 30,000 near-Earth objects. Most will miss us by millions of miles, but 3 of them are different. One is coming for the Moon in 2032. One will skim our satellites in 2029, visible to the naked eye. And the last one? It's a rubber pile monster that packs the punch of 24 Tsar bombas. These are the 3 most dangerous rocks in the solar system. And if they hit, the map of Earth changes forever. Let's start with the immediate threat. Late in 2024, astronomers spotted a 50-meter rock named 2024 YR4. It's small, about the size of the Arc de Triomphe, but its trajectory is a nightmare. While it likely will miss Earth, it is on a collision course with the Moon. On December 22, 2032, this rock has a 1 in 23 chance of slamming into the lunar surface. A 50-meter rock hitting the Moon at 12 km per second strikes with the force of a tactical nuke. It would carve out a fresh crater the size of a football stadium instantly. But the real danger here isn't the crater. It is the shotgun blast. Without an atmosphere to burn it up, tons of lunar rock would be ejected into space, potentially creating a debris field that could shred our satellites in Earth orbit. If YR4 is a warning shot, this next one is the main event. We all have heard of Apophis, named after the Egyptian god of chaos. 340 meters wide, the height of the Empire State Building, tumbling through space. On Friday the 13th, April 2029, it will pass just 32,000 kilometers above Earth. That is closer than many of our satellites. We know it will miss in 2029, but what if the calculations were wrong? What would a direct hit look like? If Apophis struck land, it would impact with around 1,200 megatons of energy. Dozens of times more powerful than the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated. The crater would be at least 5 kilometers wide. The shockwave wouldn't flatten everything within tens of kilometers. Dust thrown in the upper atmosphere could cool the planet for years. It's not an extinction event, but it would devastate an entire region of Earth. Apophis is solid rock. This is Bennu, and it's much, much worse. Thanks to OSIRIS-REx, we know Bennu is a rubble pile, a flying mountain of gravel held together by weak gravity. It acts like fluid. When NASA touched its surface, the spacecraft didn't land, it almost sank into it. And on September 24th, 2182, it has a 1 in 2700 chance of hitting Earth. Bennu is 500 meters wide, larger than Apophis. An impact would release around 1400 megatons of energy, more energy than every nuclear weapon ever tested combined. Because it is rubble pile, it might not just punch one hole. It could break apart in our atmosphere, creating a shotgun effect of multiple impacts across a wide region. The crater would be 8 kilometers wide and the fireball would vaporize everything within 10 kilometers. Deflecting a rubble pile is tricky. Hit too hard and it might just swallow the spacecraft. We are studying Bennu samples right now to figure out how to stop it if necessary. YR4, Apophis and Bennu. 3 dates, 3 threats. The solar system is one shooting gallery, and the only question remains, will we be ready when the next one appears on our radar? This is XOVION, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.